Eucalyptus essential oil, a native of Australia, comes from the Eucalyptus Radiata tree, which can grow to the majestic heights of 270 feet. Young trees have oval-shaped bluish-green leaves, while the more mature trees have long, narrow leaves and bear creamy white flowers with a pale green bark. This clear therapeutic-grade essential oil has a strong herbaceous scent with a soft woody undertone. Eucalyptus oil is a welcomed addition to every medicine cabinet for its ability to fight colds, flu, and fever. It is anti-inflammatory, antispasmodic, antiviral, deodorant, antiseptic, decongestant, antibacterial, and stimulating. It is also effective for respiratory problems such as a cough, sore throat, asthma, nasal congestion, bronchitis, and sinusitis. Heals skin, insect bites, and stings. It also has a wonderful effect on wounds because when it is exposed to air, ozone, it forms as an antiseptic. Eucalyptus essential oil helps to heal skin infections, sores, ulcers, wounds, burns, cuts, and scrapes. It also works on lice, insect bites, and stings, relieves muscle and joint pain. Eucalyptus helps with muscle and joint pain by massaging this analgesic oil into the skin. It can relieve pain caused by rheumatism, sprained tendons and ligaments, lumbago, stiff muscles, and nerve pain. Eucalyptus' therapeutic value extends to rejuvenating the body with a cooling, refreshing effect. This oil helps with exhaustion and mental sluggishness. It is effective against stress and mental disorders. Like clove essential oil, eucalyptus helps with dental problems. It is effective against cavities, plaque, gingivitis, and other infections due to its germicidal properties. It is an ingredient in mouthwashes and toothpaste. It can be used as a room freshener in soaps, deodorants, and household cleaners, and is found in many of the over-the-counter cold medicines. Eucalyptus has also been found to help with diabetes. Please visit our website at aromahut.com to learn more about how to use eucalyptus essential oil. Thanks for watching.